Hi, I'm Dax. This is the third in my series exploring Toronto's parks and trails, and I've deliberately kept the commentary light so you can simply enjoy the walk and take in the scenery. Toronto's waterfront is much bigger than the downtown harbour. On the west side, Humber Bay Shores feels like a different city. Marinas, quad paths, and long views across Lake Ontario, all connected by an easy waterfront walk. What I like here is the variety. 1 minute you're walking beside trees and gardens, next you're passing boats in the marina, and then the lake opens up in front of you. The walking itself is easy, mostly flat with paved paths and plenty of places to step off the trail and enjoy the shoreline. Mimico Waterfront Park is another part of this western lakefront, with the trail running close to the water and connecting naturally with the surrounding neighborhood. Back around Humber Bay Shores, the high-rises are never far away, but somehow they don't dominate the walk. The lake still does most of the work. And then the Toronto skyline starts to appear in the distance. It's a very different view of downtown, farther away, quieter, and framed by water instead of traffic. If you're walking from the west end of the park, the Humber Bay Arch Bridge is a natural finish. It carries walkers and cyclists across the mouth of Humber River. It's one of the most recognizable landmarks on Toronto's western waterfront. And if you time it right, Marine Parade Drive gives you plenty of places to stop afterward. We ended our walk the best way possible, in a restaurant with a cold drink and pizza. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.